So this is our chapter number 11, the festival of India. It is a Diwali today. It is a festival of light. Meenu's brother Kunal and their father have cleaned the houses. Her mother has cooked special food. Everyone is wearing new clothes. Meenu is wearing a new dress. She draws a rangoli in front of his house. Kunal decorate the house with the clay lamps and candles. Her friends burst firecrackers. Minu did not like firecrackers because they make noise and produce harmful smoke. Her mother is giving sweets to all. Today, everyone is very happy. It is Eid ul Fitr today. This day makes the end of the month of Ramzan. During Ramzan, Amir and his family do not eat or drink anything during the daytime. Uh, they eat only after sunset. On this day, Amir wear new clothes. His mother is going sweets. His mother is giving sweets to all. Everyone is very happy. It is a Christmas today. Nancy is very excited. Her mother has been prepared a special cake and tasty food. Nancy and her brother Neil decorate the Christmas tree. All of the time wear new clothes and they wish each other Merry Christmas. How do people wish each other on Diwali and Eid? How does not Minu like does not Minu like firecrackers? When a Christmas celebration on 25th December, Minu drawing a rangoli pattern. Kunal decorated his house. Everyone is laughing. Minu mother giving sweets. Minu friends are bursting cra- crackers. Draw the Minu eating an apple. So do not wear nylon or polyester clothes while lighting fire. Do not too near fire. Okay. So like Mandeep eating an apple. They are cycling like this.